You sit with English every day. You read, you listen, you understand. But when it is time to speak, nothing comes out. Your mind feels full, but your mouth feels empty. And this is where frustration begins. You start asking yourself a question. What is wrong with me? But here is something you have not noticed yet. The problem is not your effort. The problem is not your memory. The problem is one mistake. One silent mistake that almost every English learner makes. And the worst part is, you do not even see it. You think you are improving. But this mistake is slowing you down every single day. And if you do not fix it now, you will stay stuck. Not because you cannot learn, but because you are learning the wrong way. But today, you will see it clearly. And once you see it, everything will start to change. Because this mistake is simple. And the solution is even simpler. Now let us talk about it. You are learning English, but you are not using English. That is the biggest mistake. Let me explain this in a simple way. You spend hours watching videos. You listen to podcasts. You read books and subtitles. You understand many things. You feel happy because you think you are improving. But when someone asks you a simple question, you freeze. Why does this happen? Because you trained your brain to receive English. But you did not train it to produce English. This is the difference most learners ignore. Understanding is passive. Speaking is active. And your brain treats them differently. Imagine this situation. You watch a cooking video every day. You know all the steps. You understand all the ingredients. But you never cook. Do you become a good cook? No. Because knowledge without action does not create skill. This is exactly what is happening to you. You are learning, but you are not practicing speaking. And slowly, your confidence becomes weaker. Your fear becomes stronger. Then you start waiting. You tell yourself, I will speak when I am ready. But here is the truth. You will never feel ready if you do not start speaking. Read that again. You will never feel ready if you do not start speaking. This is where the real change begins. You must shift from learning to using. Now let us break this mistake into something practical. The first thing you need to understand is this. Speaking is not about perfect English. It is about clear communication. Many learners wait for perfect grammar. They want perfect sentences. They want perfect pronunciation. But this creates pressure, and pressure creates silence. Let me give you a real example. You want to say something simple like your daily routine. But instead of speaking, you start thinking. Is this correct? Is my grammar right? Is my sentence good? And in that moment, you stop speaking. Your brain becomes busy with fear. So what is the solution? You must allow yourself to speak imperfectly. Yes, imperfectly. Because mistakes are part of speaking. Think about a child. A child does not wait for perfect grammar. A child speaks, makes mistakes, and learns. That is why children improve faster. They use the language. They do not just study it. So your first shift is simple. Stop chasing perfection. Start chasing expression. Focus on saying something, not saying it perfectly. Now here comes the second part of the mistake. You practice in your head, but not with your voice. This is very common. You think in English. You imagine conversations. You create sentences silently. And you feel like you are practicing. But you are not. Because speaking is physical. It uses your mouth, your voice, your rhythm. If you do not use your voice, your brain stays passive. And when it is time to speak, it feels unfamiliar. Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought of a sentence clearly? But when you try to say it, it feels difficult. That is not your knowledge problem. That is your speaking muscle problem. You did not train your voice. So here is the simple fix. Speak out loud every day. Even if you are alone. Even if it feels strange. Start with 1 minute. Talk about your day. Say simple things. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. It sounds basic. But it is powerful. Because now your brain connects thought to speech. And slowly, speaking becomes natural. Now let us look at the third, hidden part of this mistake. You learn too much, but you use too little. You collect information. New words, new rules, new ideas. But you do not use them. And unused knowledge fades away. This creates another problem. Overwhelm. You feel like you know many things. But you cannot use them clearly. So what should you do instead? Use less, but use it more. Take 5 simple sentences. Repeat them. Use them in different situations. Make them part of your daily speech. For example, learn one useful sentence. How was your day? Now use it again and again. With friends in practice alone. This builds confidence. This builds fluency. Because fluency is not about knowing everything. It is about using what you know easily. And here is something important. Your brain learns faster through repetition with use. Not through passive learning, but through active speaking. Now you may feel something inside you. Maybe a small resistance. You may think this is too simple. Yes, I already know this. But knowing is not doing. And doing is what creates change. So let me ask you again. Are you learning English? Or are you using English? because that one difference changes everything. Now imagine this. You wake up tomorrow. Instead of only watching and listening, you start speaking. You talk to yourself. You describe your actions. You repeat simple sentences. You use your voice. At first, it feels uncomfortable. But after a few days, something changes. Your words come faster. Your fear becomes smaller. Your confidence grows slowly. And for the first time, you feel progress. This is not magic. This is correct practice. And this is how you fix the biggest mistake. You stop being only a learner, and you become a user of English. Now let us bring everything together. You understand English because you practiced input. But you cannot speak because you avoided output. You waited for perfection, and that created fear. You practiced silently, and that weakened your voice. You learned too much and used too little. And that created confusion. But now you see it clearly. And clarity creates power. You do not need a complicated method. You need a simple shift. Speak more. Think less. Use your voice. Accept mistakes. Repeat simple things. Build real confidence. And step by step, your English will change. Not because you learned more, but because you finally started using it. So here is your next step. Do not wait for tomorrow. Start today. Speak for 1 minute. Then 2 minutes. Then 5. Keep it simple. Keep it consistent. And you will see the difference. If this message helped you, stay with this journey. Subscribe to the channel and continue learning step by step. You are not far from fluency. You are just one habit away.